A warm welcome to New York. Hey Jen, great to have you here. Also great that we had nTopology on board as partner for the special feature. That's exactly what we want, to gather the great minds of AM and the industry in our 3DPC and Friends network. Why is it meaningful to you?
Well, to begin, we're really excited to do this partnership together. So thank you so much for having nTopology involved. And we believe that there's a real paradigm shift when it comes to designing for advanced manufacturing, which of course is the theme. And of course, nTopology can be helpful in that realm. And I mean, our software is a true example of a paradigm shift. We're enabling engineers to design processes and not parts. So with the existence of nTopology as an automation tool, it's proof that designing a process and not a part is what's going to help take design and AM to the next level.
That's exactly what we wanted to give to our participants, the possibility to bring their designs to the next level with your tools. So how did you make it that as many participants could get access to your platform?
Yeah, that's a great question. So it was really important for us to make it as easy and frictionless as possible. So we build the cohort, we send over our curriculum and our onboarding tools and materials so people could easily get signed into the software and easily get going on what they wanted to get done. So you don't have to be a programmer or anything like that to go ahead and get started. And you can also use your basic laptop for it. So there's no need for a supercomputer or to ask your IT department to get involved. So we wanted to keep it nice and easy.
That's the feedback we received. They appreciated a lot that they could use the tools, and we were really happy about the many submissions that arrived that used your new way of designing. So, but where do you see the paradigm shift for advanced technologies?
Yes, that is a great question. So the future is really maximizing one's effort and time, right? So what designing for AM, where the future is really held, is again, is designing that process and not necessarily the parts itself. Being able to enabling the engineer rather to be able to be more innovative when it comes to the different type of applications that they are trying to achieve, minimizing their design time, but in return giving them more iterations on their design and being able to use simulation results, incorporating that into the design and having that all be one single connected workflow. That is going to be the key in taking designing for AM to the next level.
Yeah, we're so happy about the special feature we could offer, but it goes on. 2 winners will receive 2 licenses from nTopology. So we're so excited who's gonna be those lucky guys tonight.
Yes, I'm very excited as well. We all are here at nTopology are really excited. Thank you all so much for being a part of this, having us be partners as well, and can't wait to see what everyone creates.